Hello guys, my name is Abaka Michael, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to record and shoot professional music video with nothing but just your smartphone. So you don't need to pay any music director, music producer or whatever, especially if you're an upcoming artist and you are on a very tight budget. You can start making and shooting your own music video, be promoting your songs by yourself. I'm going to be teaching you how to shoot the video and especially how to edit the music video. Another thing you need again is your music, and the music, it's very important that you have, like, I call it key starts. You need that key start during the music editing. For instance, just listen to this song. Look, let me bring it down. The song just started from anywhere, you understand? But I actually need the music to start at a particular beat, either beat drop or beat rise, or at a particular point when the music is starting. For instance, let's do this. Listen. So this song, the first beat, that first doom you hear, I'm going to use it as my key start. You actually need it, especially when you are editing the main video itself. So this is like the second part of the video. The first one we did over there was like, let's call it like the A roll, and this is going to be like the B rolls, you understand? So as an artist, as a professional artist, you're supposed to like probably like change your clothes or something, or that first part can be anywhere. It can be inside the house, it can be outside, it can be at the beach, or just anywhere you want to use, you understand? And then this part too can also be anywhere, or it can be in the same location, probably with, just depends on the storyline, probably with a different clothes, you understand? Your artist is going to change his clothes. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be changing my clothes, bro. I'm not shooting music video, I'm just teaching you guys. So I'm not going to be changing my clothes, you understand? Let's start recording. Start to the record. Will you give me wait, see, see, make it something. She be spark, make all lighter, although, make I give you love, no break in my heart, although you do, she be fine, she be my butterfly girl. Say she sweetie passy candy. She's my tattoo girl. Alright, so I'm going to be using this place as probably like my third take or like my third scene. You understand? Now this other part now is going to be like it's going to be like me, the artist, just vibing to the song. I'm not going to be singing, I'm just going to be like be vibing to the song. You understand? She be spark, make my light make I give you love, no break in my heart, although you she be she be my butterfly girl. Say she sweetie passy candy, say she my tattoo girl. So for the purpose of this teaching, this is actually going to be like let's say the last scene or the last part of the video. You understand? So let's take for instance now this music video I'm shooting now. They are dancers. I have dancers. You understand? So I'm going to like play the song and have my artists and the dancers all together, probably dancing or vibing to the song, whichever one. You understand? So but let's just try this and just sing. She be spark, make her light make her give you Alright guys, so up next I'm going to be editing the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to edit this video from start to finish. Come with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what you want to see me do next, because this is going to encourage me to keep bringing you guys video, to keep doing more videos like this, and to keep teaching you guys. Thank you very much. I love you, my family. One love.